In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to install DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So to install, we would need to download the installer first. So go into your browser and then go here into this website, which is blackmagicdesign.com. Click on this right here. And then once you're on the site, you just simply need to go into support. And in here is that you want to scroll down until you see the latest downloads. And you just simply want to scroll down until you see the DaVinci Resolve. So I'm going to scroll down. This one is just a product server. What we want is the app itself. So let's scroll down until we find it. And here we have the DaVinci Resolve Studio 19.1.4, but there is a latest one which is the 20. So I think we can see that right here when we scroll up. So here it is right here. So you want to make sure that you find the latest one right here at the very top. So the first DaVinci Resolve that you see is the latest one as of that date. And from here, you'd now be able to see the operating system where you'd want to install this. You could go for macOS, Linux, Windows 86, or Windows ARM. You could also go for the DaVinci Resolve Studio. This is the paid version with all the features. So again, you have your operating system right here. For example, I just want the free one. And then now I'm going to click here on download on Windows 86. And then we just need to provide our details right here. So I could just put in something right here. And that is it. And now click here on register and download. And then we would need to provide our email for an example right there. And then as you can see, we would now have this confirmation page. Need to click here on this button right here, DaVinci Resolve, and then it will now be downloaded into your browser, and you should now be able to see that in a couple of seconds. And in here, it is now downloading, but I have already downloaded this, which is this one. So I just need to open this file, which is now right here. And you just need to right click and extract this in the file right there, extract. And then now you would be able to see the installer right here inside this file, and then you just need to run it, and then you'd be able to install DaVinci Resolve right here, which is this exe file. But in my case, I have already installed the app in my device, so I wouldn't be able to do that anymore. But this is basically it. You just need to run this, follow the on-screen instructions where you'd want to install it, and once it's done installing, you'll now be able to use DaVinci Resolve. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.